Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Nightwish. We are going to react to the song Sleeping Sun. It is our first time single take honest reaction to the song of Nightwish. It's a Patreon request of our patron Kai.
Yeah. Okay. Your thoughts, Kirti, on this Nightwish song?
I like the way she sings. This was Tarja Urunen, right? That's the name. All three songs that we are going to react to. This is the first one of Nightwish. They are sung by Tarja, who's their first singer, right? First or second. I don't remember the order. Right now, the third lead vocalist sings. Yeah, Floransen. She's got a strong voice. Definitely, she's got a strong voice to sing. She has a utmost control over her voice. But one thing that I question myself listening to Nightwish, only about 6 songs or something that we have reacted to so far, and I don't listen to the music in my spare time because uh, almost all the songs that you listen to have many common threads, which does not make a listener compelled to listen to more and more from them. Music will be more or less same. So if you've heard about a couple of songs of Nightwish, I think you've gone through their entire catalog. I would safely say, unless they come out with something unique, something different. A storyline also is bedtime story, and with such a loud music, they don't go together. So it's like bedtime story she's telling over here, but at the same time it's so loud I can't even sleep with it. So what is the purpose? I don't know. For me, it lacks purpose. It may have good musicians working on it, but the direction for me doesn't make sense.
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head. My opinion is exactly the same. And the only unique thing about Nightwish, as we have learned after listening to six, seven, now the seventh or eighth song probably, is that their music, they have good musicians and a good singer. Here too you have the same thing. Good musicians, a good singer. So that's the only strong point. But as far as lyrics go, definitely it's their weakest link. It does get inspiration from several sources, more fantasy topics, more. There are songs probably in their catalog which make our relatable topics relating to real life, real issues like what's going on in the world right now. But unfortunately, we have never been requested them yet. And with what we've heard, we don't really care if we are not requested any more of them, because probably it will be the same. Yeah, so to end this, I'll just entertain you with singing that chorus in the most little higher, please. The main chorus. That's it.
Yeah.
So I'll just sing this to entertain you and to show you the class of the singer that they had earlier on in Nightwish. I don't really remember the tune so well. It's not that memorable. But based on just what I heard, I'll try to mimic it in my own unique and horrible way. I wish for this night time to last for a lifetime. The darkness around me shows of a solar sea. Oh, how I wish to go down with the sun, sleeping, weeping with you. Whatever that was.
Yeah.
Thank God I never have to sing songs like these, even in my spare time, as a notoriously amateur vocalist.
Notoriously amateur vocalist, that's right.
I wish for this night time to last for a lifetime. The darkness around me shows of a solar sea. I know this story is boring, just like my singing. So let's end this reaction. It's time to go bling bling. It's time to go, darling.
Goodbye. Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Nightwish. We are going to react to their song Swan Heart. This is our first time single take on his reaction on the request of our patron, Kai.
Once again, the lyrics are super ordinary, but the music manages to just save the day.
Yeah, it does.
That's my review basically. I'm done.
I like the way it started. I would have liked if it took a complete, made a complete circle and ended also the same way. With the
Yeah,
flute and
beautiful. That
the
would have been
piano
beautiful.
sound, yeah. I'm not sure if they actually used the piano or if the music was made on the keyboard, but it sounded beautiful. That drew me into the music, into the song. If it wasn't for the flute and the piano sound, I would have found it another ordinary song of Nightwish. But I like the way the introduction was done. Then the singers came in. I think there were dual voices. I don't know if it was the echo or edited and put there, or there were two singers that were singing. Honestly saying, I wasn't that big a fan of the singing part. It was the music that was making me feel good.
In fact, before the ending, the musical outro started. It was even off key. It was not rhyming. It was not in sync with the music. So
Yeah.
unfortunately.
And musically and the song wise, the way it was done, it could definitely be used during a festival time and all. More sounds like that is there for some reason. Yeah, that's how I felt. I'm not sure. I mean, not festivals in India. We have completely different music for all the festivals here in India. But Western festivals around Christmas or something, maybe this would be something different, unique. Yeah.
If the lyrics were better.
If the lyrics are relatable, connectable, meaningful,
Yeah.
this was not. Yes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Nightwish. We are going to react to the song 2 for Tragedy. It is a Patreon request of our patron Kai.
Sleep, Eden, sleep, my fallen son. Slumber in peace, cease the pale life just in vain for us to gain nothing but all the same.
Sometimes I think Nightwish forgets that they are a symphonic metal band, not just a metal band.
Yeah.
They start off with it and then they
Yeah.
just forget it.
Yeah. For to be very very honest, out of 3 songs that we reacted to, this one for me was more in unison when the music, vocals, everybody concerned, everybody.
True.
Almost the entire song, nobody was playing anything out of turn. Everything fell in place. It was short, it was sweet, it was done well, I would say. I didn't mind the vocals, the way it was done, it was nice. For the lyrics, again, it is something, I don't know what's happening, but something maybe people can relate to, or maybe religious or something, I don't know. Some about my child, all this opera like story, something like that is going on. And musically, the drums, the flute, beautiful flute in this. The guitars, the guitarist didn't overdo things, he just was in control.
Yeah, the darkest part, the darkest area, the darkest part in a candlelit room is right below the candle.
Yes.
And that applies to the music of Nightwish in more ways than one. But perhaps most of the fans of Nightwish will not have a clue of what I just said and why I said it. That's it for this one. Goodbye.